Caloundra Family Chiropractor, Adjustments, Preventative Care Services announced. Wellsure Chiropractic, phone number 617-5438-2008, has announced an upgraded service array, improving local access to family-friendly chiropractic health and wellness advantages in Caloundra, Queensland. Wellsure Chiropractic's upgraded treatment range is brought forward to help people of all ages benefit from chiropractic care, says the Caloundra practice. With improving one's wellness becoming a central goal in Australia and across the globe, Wellsure Chiropractic looks to make such pursuits more accessible, as part of its natural adjustment procedures. The Caloundra team points to its varied selection of chiropractic manipulations, in providing relief for many complaints related to aches and pains. Acknowledging that adults and children alike may need help reducing uncomfortable symptoms, or recovering from physical conditions, Wellsure Chiropractic's treatments are tailored to accommodate different body types and sizes. Its familiarity with traditional and modern chiropractic procedures enables it to find suitable techniques in response to different ailments, adds the team, from headaches to muscle sprains, whiplash, bulging discs, and localized pain across the body. Wellsure Chiropractic is equipped to recommend and perform treatments based on the findings of an on-site evaluation. This multi-technique proficiency helps its team to treat patients spanning infants to young children and teenagers, all the way to seniors. Wellsure Chiropractic refers to the positive impact of chiropractic care in achieving lasting health improvements, while delaying or preventing certain conditions from worsening. As explained by a Wellsure Chiropractic representative, our chiropractors remain up to date with the most current chiropractic techniques, enabling people of all ages and entire families to benefit from both the preventative and corrective benefits of chiropractic care. Alongside manual therapeutic techniques, Wellsure Chiropractic is positioned to perform procedures in line with recent developments in chiropractic form and technology. With dry needling and shockwave therapy at its disposal, the Caloundra team is able to consult on appropriate treatments that target areas of pain as needed. Crucially, a balanced approach is considered optimal for maximizing the results of chiropractic care. Accordingly, Wellsure Chiropractic staff emphasizes the importance of health, nutrition, and exercise in maintaining one's overall wellness, offering customized lifestyle suggestions together with its chiropractic treatments. Appointments are available to schedule via telephone or through Wellsure Chiropractic's official website. Interested parties throughout the Caloundra community can find further details about Wellsure Chiropractic at wellsure.com.au.